Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change some sound volumes in a Realme 14x phone. So the fastest and the easiest way to do it is to use these buttons on the side here, up or down, and here we have three dots and we can change what we need from here. Of course, we can go to settings also. And now we're looking for sound and vibration options, and here we have the same sliders. So we have media sounds, ringtones, notifications and alarms. We can enable app specific volume option, so we can have the same sound levels in every application, or for the specific one we can change whatever we want. And here we have volume button function, so we can change function of these side buttons. We can change media volume or the ringtone volume if we want to. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.